Welcome to episode 4 of our Intajour training video. In the last episode, we showed you how to start editing videos. This can be tricky sometimes. It's quite easy to confuse your viewers by wrongful editing. But there are ways to avoid the biggest problems. Editing interviews can be rather challenging. Here is an example. Let's interview Intajour director Werner Eggert.
Intajour, or in long, the International Academy of Journalism, was founded in 2010 in Berlin. The occasion was Bertelsmann's anniversary. The company celebrated its 175th birthday then with a lot of celebrities, VIPs. The German Chancellor was there. Mr. Barroso, the President of the European Commission, was there. That was basically the founding act of Intajour. And we started our practical work actually and welcomed the first fellows in 2011, so 12 months later, in September 2011.
This statement is very long. If we want to make it shorter, we have to cut some sentences in the middle.
Intajour, or in long, the International
But
Academy
now
of
have a
Journalism
closer
was
look.
founded in 2010 in Berlin, and we started our practical work actually and welcomed the first fellows in 2011. So
Did you notice that the picture jumps at the cut? Let's watch the clip again, this time without sound to focus only on the visuals. Here. There is the jump cut. This is not nice because it looks unnatural to us and it irritates the viewers. But there is a way to fix that. You can add what we call a cutaway, a close-up shot of the hands, for instance. In the video editor, we select a short part and drag the cutaway into a track above our original track, right above the cut. It is important to mute the sound of the cutaway. Now let's see what the interview looks like with the cutaway.
Intajour, or in long, the International Academy of Journalism, was founded in 2010 in Berlin, and we started our practical work actually and welcomed the first fellows in 2011, so 12 months later.
Shorter and better. Cutaways are not only useful for interviews. You can use them to shorten long and boring sequences. Take, for instance, this video of the ferry at Hamburg's Landungsbrücken. It takes a long time to watch the ferry arrive and dock. The sequence is very long and it can be boring to watch. We have to make the clip shorter by cutting out a part in the middle. But by doing that, we create a jump cut, a problem, as you can see. To avoid the jump cut, we could add a cutaway, for example, a shot of people watching the ferry. To sum it up, to avoid jump cuts, you can use cutaways. When editing interviews, make sure that the statement still makes sense and that you don't twist the meaning. Learn more about filming interviews in the next episode. Thanks for watching.